Ready?
Yep. Good evening, boys and girls. Tonight we are grinding our own hamburger. We got ourselves a couple rib roasts, about 2 pounds each, and we're going to make about 4 pounds of hamburger. So stay tuned and just watch. It's real easy. All you gotta do is crank.
Something you folks wouldn't do.
See, once we cubed it up, we started with the biggest holes on the grinder, and we ground it up into meat that looks like this, and we added our spices, and now we're going with the smallest holes to make the hamburger. Like I said,
it looks really good.
If y'all are hurting for hamburger and you have some rib roast or rump roast in your refrigerator or freezer, all you got to do is get yourself a grinder and have fun.
Or come to our house and we'll grind it on the days we're off.
Yeah.
We'll make you some hamburger meat. We'll charge you like, I don't know, maybe nothing. If you're hurting for hamburger.
We sanitize the grinder to make sure it's all good. And like I said, all you got to do is grind. And it comes out all nice and juicy, ready to be eaten.
Matter of fact, I'm going to put one on and see how it tastes.
Put 2. You get one and I get one.
We're going to test them.
Now look at that. That's prime hamburger meat. It's not that hard to do. And I know most people don't have grinders, but some of your blenders nowadays have the electric grinders with them. They ain't that hard to use. We have the old style manual one.
We also have the other one too, so.
Oh, we do?
Yeah, we got a grinder.
It's
an electric one.
Then why am I doing it?
Honey, the blender, the thing that we make, grind up for ham salad and stuff.
No, this is better.
Well, I still got one.
This actually makes the hamburger. That's a blender or a food processor. Now, I'm talking about making actual hamburger the old-fashioned way.
Oh. Notice how they taste.
So, y'all want to know what we're doing for the corona? Everything that we normally do anyhow. We wash our hands. Sanitize everything. And we just live our own life. The way we always have. We don't go out and try and buy all the toilet paper there is. We don't buy all the wipes or anything like that. We've had that stuff in the household for years.
And we're going to test it to see if it's good.
So you folks going out there and buying 50 packs of toilet paper just so you can wipe your butts while you're starving, that's fine.
But we're going to eat good.
But we're going to eat the way we normally do. And our life ain't changing much. So While y'all try to figure out where to get yourself a grinder, I'm just going to keep on grinding.
We bought this one for 50 cents.
And we like our meat well done, so we don't like that red in the middle.
Only steak a little bit red, but not hamburger.
So people, smarten up. Your life don't have to change as drastic as it has for something that's been around for quite a while anyhow. So, the only differences that I see nowadays is the price of gas going down and you don't have that much to wipe your butt. Unless you got newspapers, then you got plenty.
Hey, I got some of those saved up too.
Yeah, but that's an emergency. Well, I've only been doing this about 5 minutes and yeah, we already got about a pound there.
Yep. Oh, those smell so good.
So, I know I'm not talking like I should, but yeah, I'm busy grinding. So you'll have to just forgive me because this takes some effort. And I know there's a lot of people out there not willing to put out the effort, but it got to be done.
I'll make you up some balls here.
Oh, you going to make me some balls, baby?
Hamburger balls.
Oh.
So you can put in the grinder.
Oh, okay.
We work together. We do everything together.
So.
That's the point. People don't work together to get things done.
I have lived my life a certain way all my life, and it might piss people off, but oh well. I wasn't put on this earth to please a lot of people. Just the ones I love.
There's 4 balls right there. There, what's this hamburger meat?
Okay.
We're gonna say like pasties here. I even got a couple roast in the freezer.
Yeah, but they're frozen.
I know, but you can get them out and unthaw them.
Yeah. Our pantry has always been full. We have always had canned goods. We've always had meat. Because we went out on a regular basis. Instead of going out all the time, we bought food for the house. So we didn't have to rush out and buy more food. Because our house was empty. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. You have to step up underneath that, I guess. There we go.
Thank you.
Hi.
And my grandson has just walked in and he's going to help.
I'll see you guys later.
He's videoing.
What do you need help with?
He's videoing. Grinding up all the hamburger meat. He's videoing.
Why are you videoing?
Because he's going to show people that there is a way of living without going out and hoarding stuff.
Yes, this is my grandson. He's got, after he washes his hands with soap and water, he is going to help me grind the hamburger. So go wash your hands. I promise there is no human meat in here because we're careful. Now look at that beautiful hamburger.
How many people comment on it?
Oh, it's going on YouTube. Like I said, I know I don't talk much, but yeah, I'm kind of busy at this particular moment, so yeah.
Guess they can burn it.
We're gonna test them.
You better wash it off.
It's not, Daddy. It's only the handle.
It's tongue contact.
You know, what I tell you, you just push the extra meat down in there.
That's all you gotta do. Just put the meat
Shove
in
my
there.
finger down there?
No, just put it
I stop. Push the meat down.
Just push it.
Harder than
You're gonna
that.
get cut.
I am pushing it. That's about it. That's all it's supposed to do.
Really. Now see that ball over there?
This three?
Yes. Put one in there.
Whole ball.
Yeah.
Yes.
Grandpa wants a whole ball. Alright.
Really. Really.
It'll be bashed on it.
Hang in there.
It's going.
No, the handle is not attached for a reason. Because it got to be detachable.
Okay. Going to push down. I'm not close to the grinder, so go ahead. Just keep going.
Push down.
I did.
Thank you.
You wanna try one?
Sure. What's in it?
We just seasoned it.
This is my long lost brother Carl.
Uh-huh. Okay, you want to push the hamburger down over there? Over here.
Oh.
Never mind, I got it.
What do you want?
What I already did.
Oh.
Okay, push it down some more. It got to go over this way.
I know.
Yes, we are getting there.
And our hamburger's almost done, baby.
Give me a second.
You want cheese, baby?
Nah, I want to taste the burger.
Almost done.
You eat the burger on camera too? Yum, yum.
No, I ain't that stupid. Hang in there, folks. Oh, that's cold.
These two grandmas.
Okay.
You got exactly on.
You want to hand me a couple paper towels?
Think
Turn
about
your
it.
video off.
Give me a second. Now, when I say push it down, I mean
Oh.
push it down like that.
Okay.
That way it gets it down in the
Actual grinder.
right. And see how much faster it's going when I stop push down like I just showed you. Now back in that part. Like back in the teeth. You gotta push down at this angle. Okay. Thank you. Watch your fingers.
No, I want you to take this with them.
Okay, push the rest of that down. Okay. Watch your fingers and get ready for the next one.
You guys making all of these tonight?
No!
No,
Oh,
that's
thank
been in
God.
the freezer.
Oh, thank God. I was like, there's only 3 of us here.
Damn tasty though, man.
Yes, I have. Actually, it's seasoned just right.
I don't know any tasty yet.
I have.
It's like,
I
oh.
didn't even have a chance to taste it. You know?
It's like, oh.
It's good. It really is.
Yeah, it is.
Just the right amount of seasoning. You don't have to season your hamburger. All you gotta do is grind it.
That's the last one?
Almost.
2 more.
One more
No.
after this one.
Oh, I got one.
Oh, good.
Watch your thumb.
I'm watching my thumb. Like I said, there's no human meat in this, so I'm going to keep it that way.
Thank God. I hope not.
We won't get that desperate because we were smart enough to buy regular and not have to worry about stocking up at the last minute. As for water, we got tap water.
Yep, got ice water.
So,
That's like God, we're not in Flint, Michigan.
No, go away.
yes, but I was trying not to mention towns because, yeah.
I don't know what you're talking about. We live in Canada.
Oh, okay. Well, that's okay.